The kind little farmer. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green fields and tall mountains, there lived a little boy named Rohan. He was kind, hardworking, and loved animals. His family was poor, but they owned a small farm where they grew vegetables and kept a few cows and chickens. Rohan had a big dream. He wanted to turn his small farm into the best farm in the village. He loved taking care of the plants and animals, but he knew that to make the farm better, he needed to learn more. However, his parents could not afford to send him to school because they needed his help on the farm. Even though he couldn't go to school, Rohan did not give up. Every evening, after finishing his farm work, he would sit with the village teacher, an old man named Guruji. Guruji liked Rohan's determination and taught him about farming, animals, and nature. One day, while working on the farm, Rohan heard a faint sound coming from the forest nearby. He followed the sound and found a little bird with a broken wing lying on the ground. "Oh no, you are hurt," Rohan said gently. He carefully picked up the bird and took it home. He made a soft bed for it in a small wooden box and fed it grains and water. Day by day, the bird became stronger. Rohan named it Chintu. He took good care of Chintu and often talked to him while working on the farm. The little bird became Rohan's best friend. One year, there was very little rain, and the village faced a drought. The fields became dry, and the crops started dying. The villagers were worried. "What will we do? We have no water for our farms," they cried. Rohan saw how sad everyone was. He remembered what Guruji had taught him about saving water and using it wisely. He went to the village chief and said, "I have an idea. We can dig a small pond near the fields and collect rainwater for the crops." The village chief thought it was a great idea. With everyone's help, they dug a pond. When the rains finally came, the pond filled with water. Now, even when the rain stopped, they had enough water to save their crops. One evening, Rohan was feeding Chintu when the bird suddenly flew away. Rohan was happy to see his friend healthy and flying again, but he also felt a little sad. The next morning, Rohan woke up and found something surprising. Near his farm, he saw a patch of beautiful, golden plants that he had never seen before. He was amazed. Where did these come from? He wondered. Then he saw Chintu sitting on a tree, chirping happily. Rohan realized that Chintu must have dropped some seeds from another place. These seeds grew into magical golden plants. Rohan carefully took some of these golden seeds and planted them all over his farm. To his surprise, they grew very fast and produced more food than any other crop. The villagers were amazed. "These are special seeds," they said. "They grow even when there is little rain." Rohan shared the seeds with all the villagers, and soon, every farm in the village was full of golden crops. The village chief was very proud of Rohan. "Because of your kindness and wisdom, our village is safe from drought," he said. "You have helped us all." The villagers decided to send Rohan to school so that he could learn even more. They collected money and gave it to his parents. Rohan was very happy. He promised to study hard and help the village even more when he grew up. Rohan never forgot Chintu, his little bird friend. He knew that kindness always brings good things in return. By helping a small bird, he had helped his whole village. From that day on, Rohan worked even harder to make his farm better and to help others. He became the best farmer in the village and taught everyone the importance of kindness, hard work, and taking care of nature. And so, the little farmer's dream came true. His village became the happiest and richest in the land. All because of a boy who never gave up and a tiny bird with magic seeds. Moral of the story: kindness and hard work always bring great rewards. Helping others can lead to unexpected blessings.